Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to set Scheduler in FeedMe. Scheduler means that you can set the item in a certain time it will appear out, such as your happy hour, your high tea promotion, and others. For this video, I use the cake as a promotion. It will show a special price during 2 to 5 p.m. in daily for my high tea promotion. Thank you.
Go to your category. Let's say for example, I got the cake selling a normal price of the 8 ringgit, but I want to sell it in 7 ringgit in my high tea period, which is start from 2 to 5 p.m. in this period. So I need to create a cake. Either you can create a new category or you can create the item under the same category of the cake also. Let's say click new product. So for the name, because you cannot share the same name with other items, so you can put a dot, or you can put the alliance or other symbol, or also you can put at high tea period. Then for the selling price, you put 7 ringgit. Then you can link your own group, and you can link your own add-on group, your inventory, or you take your price, and link your print departments. After that, just click create. After that, scroll under the bottom and click for Scheduler. Then click New Scheduler. So in this example, you can create a name such as the high tea period. Then you can set is it by daily or weekly. Weekly means that every Monday, every Wednesday. So in this case, I put it as daily. Then you can set the custom period, which is start from 2 to 5 p.m. Then you can link the product, which is the cake that high tea period. Just click confirm. After that, just click create. Then furthermore, you need to create another schedule, which is the normal rate that hide that cake item start from 2 to 5 p.m. So just click new scheduler and rename it as normal hour. And select daily and custom period. But this time, you need to set start from 5 p.m. to 2 p.m. to avoid that high tea period. Then link your product and link to the cake that normal price just now. Just click confirm. Just click create. Which means that when this is the high tea period, start from 2 to 5 p.m, the normal price of the cake, it won't show in this time period. Same as this, the normal hour, after the 5 p.m. until before the 2 p.m, it will show the normal price of the cake. After that, go to publish, search your outlet, then just click publish. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari POS System, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Phone, find Seng.
Seng.
找POS System, 找Seng.